Do you wonder how to make investment decisions that align with your business goals and foster growth? Are you looking for ways to invest wisely in your business to see substantial returns? Do you want to understand the key factors in making strategic investment choices? Making smart investment decisions is crucial for the growth and stability of any business, including yours. Hi, I'm Mami N, your Mami Negosyo, and I'm going to guide you through the process of making wise investment decisions for your business growth. It's about evaluating opportunities carefully and investing in a way that aligns with your long term objectives. So, we will be exploring these strategies as we go along. Number one, define your business goals. Number two, conduct thorough market research. Number three, evaluate risk versus reward. Number four, seek expert advice. And number five, plan for long term growth. All right, let's kick things off with strategy number one. Define your business goals. Defining your business goals provides a clear roadmap for making informed investment decisions. So, start by asking yourself what you want to achieve in the next few months to several years. Write down these goals and be specific. For instance, consider goals like increasing sales by 20% in the next year, launching a new product line, or expanding into a new market. Next, break down these goals into actionable steps. Identify the resources and investments needed to achieve each goal. Now, this might include investing in new equipment, training your staff, or marketing campaigns. So, let's use my coaching client Jessa's story for this. Jessa is passionate about having good skin, and this led her to launch her skincare products. Jessa faced a problem when her sales plateaued and she struggled to attract new customers. During one of our coaching sessions, she realized that to grow her business, she needed to expand her product line. So Jessa set a clear goal to introduce organic skincare items within the next 2 years. And by defining this goal, she focused her investments on sourcing high quality organic ingredients and developing new product formulations. She also allocated funds for marketing to promote the new line. And as a result, this strategic resource allocation boosted sales and helped Jessa achieve her goals. Let's now tackle the next strategy. The second one is to conduct thorough market research. This helps you spot opportunities and make smart investment decisions that drive growth. To start, gather market data, industry reports, and analyze trends. Look for areas with growth potential that align with your business strategy. You can use surveys, customer feedback, and competitor analysis to get a complete picture. Meet Marie, who runs a small poultry farm. When she'd faced declining sales, she needed to find a way to boost her business. And upon discovering this strategy, she then decided to invest in an in depth market study before making any major changes. The research revealed a growing demand for a free range and organic poultry products, particularly in urban areas. Now, with this valuable insight, Marie focused her investment on transitioning her farm to free range methods and obtaining organic certification. And it was not only that. She also targeted her marketing efforts towards health conscious consumers in nearby cities. And as a result, her farm saw a significant increase in sales, turning her struggling business around. So her example is worth emulating, don't you think? Are you still feeling stuck? The next strategy probably will help you overcome that hurdle. This is strategy number three, which is to evaluate risk versus reward. Every investment comes with its own set of risks and potential rewards. So, to start, let's assess the potential returns against the risks that are involved. Consider factors such as market conditions, competition, and financial stability. You need to understand your risk tolerance and make decisions that reflect your comfort level with potential losses. Let me introduce you to Anna, who sells craft supplies. Anna faced a tough decision about whether to invest in a new product line or not. She was concerned about the higher costs and the risk of low sales. I advised her to make an informed decision. She needed to conduct a thorough risk reward analysis. And so, Anna evaluated the potential return on investment or ROI by researching the market demand and calculating projected sales. She also considered the financial impact if the new product line did not perform well. And by carefully weighing the potential rewards against the risks, Anna decided to start with a small batch of the new products. And this allowed her to test the market without overcommitting resources. The new product line was a success, leading to increased sales and customer satisfaction. So you see, evaluating risks versus rewards helps you make balanced decisions and focus on investments with a good balance of risk and potential reward. Moving to the next, we have strategy number 4, which is to seek expert advice. So get this. Professional insight can add significant value to your decision making process. Always start by consulting with business mentors or experienced entrepreneurs. Their knowledge and experience can provide a different perspective and help you evaluate investment options more thoroughly. Here's an example. Lena operates a digital marketing agency. Lena was unsure about investing in a new expensive software that promised to streamline her operations. Given the high cost, she was hesitant and did not want to make a wrong move that could financially strain her business. So, to make a well informed decision, Lena sought advice from me. And together, we analyzed the potential return on investment and I helped her assess how the software could improve her business efficiency. So, with this insight, Lena felt more confident in her decision. She went ahead with the investment, which resulted in improved productivity and ultimately higher profits for her agency. So that leads us to our final strategy, the fifth one, which is to plan for long term growth. Look for investment opportunities that may not have immediate returns but will contribute significantly to your business's growth in the long run. So here's what you need to do. Identify areas that align with your long term vision and can help you stay ahead of the competition. So these investments might include research and development, new technologies, or expanding into new markets. Let's talk about my mentee, Tina, who creates and sells cakes. When she found out that her equipment was starting to wear out, she knew it was going to be a problem. Replacing it with smaller models would solve immediate problems, but she wondered if investing in a more advanced, efficient baking equipment would be a better long term strategy. So, after scouting around, the new equipment was more expensive and the returns would not be immediate. But Tina decided to take the risk. And so she invested in the state of the art baking technology that not only improved her production efficiency but also allowed her to offer new and innovative cake designs. This strategic investment aligned with her long term vision of becoming a leading cake business in her area. Sure enough, her investment slowly started to pay off. Remember, with these 5 strategies, you'll be able to make wise investment decisions, which is key to driving business growth and achieving your long term vision. If you're ready to learn more and to take your business to the next level, remember to subscribe to my newsletter and my free starter kit at maminegosyo.com for more insights and tips. Thank you for joining me today. This is Mami and your Mami Negosyo saying, be business minded, Pinoy.